I'm Chad from Autel Diagnostics, and with the new software upgrades that Autel has introduced on the MaxiSYS Ultra tool, the hardware improvements are just as impressive. In this episode, I will cover the MaxiSYS Ultra hardware and the hardware for the VCMI. If you have any questions or need more information about the rest of the tool, make sure you visit our website at autel.com or our YouTube channel at youtube.com/AutelTools. Let's get started. In this episode, we're going to focus on the three major hardware components: your Ultra tablet, the VCMI, and the docking station. To start, let's focus on the docking station. The docking station is your storage dock for your Ultra tablet. This is also a charging dock for your tablet. There are 4 pins down at the bottom that correspond with 4 pins on the bottom of your Ultra tool. The Ultra tool simply sets into the dock storage station to be able to charge. Your docking station comes with a specific power supply for your Ultra tablet. Please use only the provided power supply that comes in the kit. This will provide the correct voltage and amperage to charge your Ultra tablet. Your MaxiSYS Ultra tablet is a 12.9-inch touchscreen. This is the largest screen that Autel has ever produced. Running on an Android 7.0 platform with an octa-core processor and 256 gigs of memory for expanded storage. There are 2 cameras contained in your unit. On the front, we have a 5-megapixel front camera, and on the back of your device, you have a 16-megapixel rear camera. The rear camera also contains a flash if needed. The built-in stand can operate as not only a kickstand for on top of a desk or toolbox, but also can be extended to 90 degrees to be able to hang from a steering wheel. From the factory, you do have a screen protector. This is for shipping purposes only. Grab the corner of that screen protector to peel off and reveal the clean screen of your Autel tool. Your MaxiSYS Ultra tablet can communicate wirelessly with your VCMI via Bluetooth or via Wi-Fi. Your tablet contains dual Wi-Fi, giving you the ability to connect via Wi-Fi to your VCMI, but also Wi-Fi to your router to be able to access the internet directly from the tablet. On the top of your Ultra device, you will see 3 USB ports. You have 2 USB 2.0s, 1 micro USB, and an SD card slot. On the other side of the tablet, we have our HDMI output, our 12-volt power supply input if you would like to charge to the tablet directly, and our power on-off switch. Hold this button down momentarily to power on your Ultra device. Now we are going to move on to the VCMI. And this is an amazing piece of engineering from Autel. This contains our vehicle communication interface, our measurement interface, and our J2534 protocols for flash programming. On the front of the screen, you will see multiple LEDs. Please read your instruction manual to see what each LED indication means. Each LED is color-coded to be able to provide different information to you as a user. When we look at the bottom of your VCMI, you will notice that we have multiple BNC connections. These BNC connections are used for the scope functionality of your tool. Notice that they are also color-coded: yellow, blue, green, and red. These colors correspond with the cables that are included in your kit, and also the colors on the screen for using your scope functionality. Our OBD2 2.0 port is specifically designed for the Ultra tablet and requires the 2.0 cable provided in the kit. This 2.0 cable provides high-speed connection for your wireless scope and for scanning of the vehicles. If we look at the top of your VCMI, you will see a power button to power on and off your VCMI, a power port to supply power to the internal battery, a hanging hook to be able to hang directly from the hood of the vehicle, USB in to connect via J2534 programming to your Ultra tablet or to your PC laptop, and our DVOM power connections. Let's go through this side of the tool a little bit more in depth to go through some of the features. We will start here with your DVOM connection. Connecting these leads turns your tablet into a voltmeter, but also these ports can be used to export voltage and to generate waveforms. The tablet has a built-in waveform generator and a voltage output to be able to apply power directly to a circuit if necessary. You will notice that this USB port is different than other USB ports on other devices. This is a version 2 of our USB connection. It is recommended to always use only Autel approved USB cables to provide the best stability and speed when using the USB port. When we look over here at the power connection, you are correct. I did say that the VCMI contains a battery. By holding down this power port, you will power on your VCMI. There are multiple reasons for containing a battery in the VCMI. Number one is to be used as a capacitor. The battery contained can work as an extra power supply when plugging into a vehicle. This will maintain the connection between your Ultra tablet and the VCMI when changing between vehicles. This also works when starting a vehicle. If a vehicle has a low battery, voltage can go below nominal voltage. When trying to read data at that point, you can use the VCMI's battery as the capacitor to maintain that voltage and maintain the connection to the vehicle, thus providing the information you need when that vehicle is hard start. The battery also contains the power to provide the wireless scope function. Yes, you heard me correctly. We can actually run a 4-channel lab scope wireless to the tablet. It is highly recommended that when you connect your Ultra tablet to your VCMI, that you use the Wi-Fi connection. The Wi-Fi connection provides a fast, stable, and secure connection to your VCMI. If you have any other questions about your Ultra tablet or your VCMI, please reference your product description information provided in the case of your Ultra device. I'm Chad from Autel Diagnostics. Thanks for joining me. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our tech support line or visit us at autel.com.